let's move on to the division. And before moving to division, we will know what is reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Okay, now see, if a number 1 upon b is given, a upon b is given, what is its reciprocal? It is b upon a. And how does it come? Or multiplicative, this multiplicative inverse means power minus 1, power minus 1. So here, what is the multiplicative inverse of a upon b minus 1? Why minus 1? Because we have to find the multiplicative inverse. And when we have a 1 power in negative, we do the reciprocal of the number to make the power positive. Okay, जब भी power negative में होती है, we do reciprocal to make the power positive, and its power is 1, so we can write it as. So what is multiplicative inverse? Power minus 1, और ये भी solve होके यही आता है, reciprocal you know. Now class, let's learn 3 important points. First, reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Okay, if you want to do the reciprocal, it does not exist because you cannot reciprocate it, of course. So the reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Okay, when you do the reciprocal, it will be 1. And the reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 and reciprocal of minus 1 is minus 1. Reciprocal of 0 does not exist. Remember these 3 points. These are the very important points. Divide 7 upon 15 by 2 upon 3. It means 7 upon 15 को divide करना है 2 upon 3 से. Now we already learned the division of fractions in the previous chapter. So how do we do this? We do the reciprocal of the second fraction. जो second fraction है उसका reciprocal करते हैं. And after reciprocal, this division sign changes into the product. Okay, now solve. अब ये multiplication हो गया. Now solve it. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, and this will not cut each other. So 7 into 1 and 5 into 2. This will be 7 upon 10. See another question. We have to divide 16 upon 21 by minus 4 upon 3. Now here we have this minus sign. So first what we do, we put the product sign and do the reciprocal of the number. And now cut the numbers. 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21, 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. Here we have 4 into 1 and here we have 7 into, see this minus sign is there, only number has cancelled but minus sign is there, so we write 7 into minus 1, 4 into minus 7, and we never leave the answer negative in the denominator, so we will write minus 4 upon 7. This is the answer. Now we will do some questions of exercise 4F. First question is find the reciprocal of the numbers. So what is the reciprocal of, now see no denominator is there, we will put 1, and what is its reciprocal? It will be 1 upon minus 6, और कभी डिनोमिनेटर में माइनस का साइन रखते नहीं है, सो इट विल बी माइनस 1 अपॉन 6. जब भी डिनोमिनेटर में वी हैव माइनस साइन, वी व्हाट वी डू, वी मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय माइनस 1, सो वी हैव दिस. Now what is its reciprocal? It will be 12 upon minus 17, and we never leave the, whenever we have denominator as negative, what we do, we multiply it by minus 1. So minus 12 upon 17. What is its reciprocal? It will be 5 upon 3, minus 5 upon 3. And when the denominator is negative, multiply it by minus 1. So it will be 5 upon 3. Or you can simply learn it like this. There is no need to multiply it by minus 1. Just remember, when we have the denominator as negative, we move that negative into the numerator. जब भी denominator में negative आता है, हम उसे numerator में push कर देते हैं. And when we have both numerator and denominator as negative, these negative cancels each other, so this will be positive. What is we learn? Reciprocal of -1 is -1 and reciprocal of 0 not exist. Not. See student, exercise 4F question number 2. We have to multiply it. There is no denominator, so we will put 1. Now first what we will do, instead of division sign product sign रखेंगे, multiplication sign रखेंगे and do the reciprocal. It will be this. Now see, this number does not cut each other. There is no 8 की टेबल में 8 आता है but 5 नहीं आता, 5 की टेबल में 5 आता है but 8 नहीं आता. Neither these two numbers comes in the same table, so we will multiply them. -8 into 16 and 1 into -5. -8 into 16 128 and minus sign, it is -5. Now when minus cancels each other, okay, so we have we have 128 upon 5. This is improper fraction. We will change it into the mixed fraction. 5 2s are 10, so 25 3. So this will be, this is the whole, 25 whole 2 upon 5. Sorry, this is 3. So this is. See one more example. How do we divide it? इसकी जगह multiplication sign and do the reciprocal of the second number. Now for these two comes in the table of 4. Sorry, comes in the table of 7. 7 2s are 14, 7 5s are 35. Now 16 and 5 do not comes in the same table, neither 16 or 15. So we will write it as -16 into 2 and 5 into -15. Multiply them. We have -2 and -75. These minus cancels each other, so we have 32 upon 75. Now students, see here, some number when divided by -5 upon 7 give 10 upon 11. Let's see, यहाँ पर कोई number x था. When this x is divided by this, get this. So we have to find the value of x. Okay, and this is in multiplication. This is in division. So when this number goes to the other side of the equal to sign, this will be in multiplication. Okay, जब दूसरी साइड जाता है तो साइन चेंज हो जाता है, we know. So we have 10 upon 19 into -7 upon 5. This 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So we have -14 upon 19. So x is -14 upon 19. When -14 upon 90 multiply by -7 upon 5 gives 10. क्या किया हमने, x का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए इस टर्म को इक्वल टू के दूसरी साइड भेज दिया. एंड व्हेन हियर इट इज इन डिवीजन, व्हेन इट गोज टू द अदर साइड ऑफ द इक्वल साइन, द साइन गेट्स चेंज. प्लस की जगह माइनस हो जाता है, अगर माइनस होता है तो प्लस हो जाता है, डिवाइड होता है तो मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है, मल्टीप्लाई होता है तो डिवाइड हो जाता है. रिमेंबर दिस, इक्वल टू की दूसरी साइड जाके. नाउ हियर दिस वाज इन डिवीजन, सो इक्वल टू की दूसरी साइड जाके इट विल बी इन multiplication. Now solve it. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5. These now these numbers do not cut each other. So here we have -14 upon 19. Now students, see this question. Here 9 upon 8 को किसी नंबर से डिवाइड करना है, so that we have -3 upon 2. Now see, in the last question we have transport the number on this side to the another side, क्योंकि वो डिवीजन में था. Now here we cannot transport this to this side. Okay, so see, when we have question like this, 3 upon 2 something divide by 3 upon 2 gives 4 upon 7. Okay, this is, तो जब पहले डैश है then we can transport this to the another side, but we have dash second. We cannot send it to the another side. We cannot send this number to this side. Okay, what we have to do, let's see. 9 upon 8 multiply 1 upon x. Okay, reciprocal हो गया इसका. It will be -3 upon 2. Now transport this digit to this side. We have minus 1 upon x equals to minus 3 upon 2 into, when this 9 upon 8 will get to this side, it will comes in division because अभी ये यहाँ पर multiplication में है. ठीक है, रेसिप्रोकल किया, सॉल्व किया इस डिवीजन को. We get 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 8, minus 4 upon 3. Now see class, the value we have here is of 1 upon x, but we have to find the value of x, means इसका भी रेसिप्रोकल करेंगे, इसका भी, तो we have minus 3 upon 4 and this is the answer. See question number 4 class, divide the sum of 6 upon 12 and 8 upon 3 by their difference. The question is saying we have to divide the sum of these number, sum of 65 and 12 plus 8 upon 3. We have to divide this sum by their difference, means this difference is minus. Okay, now solve this. The sum of 65 upon 12 and 8, divide the sum by the difference. Now find the sum. How do you add the fraction numbers? First we find out their LCM, and their LCM will be, LCM of 12 and 3 will be, it will be 12. Okay, so 12. Now 12 में कितना मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 12 होगा 1, so we will multiply the numerator by 1 also. 3 में 4 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तभी 12 होगा, so 8 में भी क्या मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 4. Okay, or you can solve it in the rough first. Okay, पहले क्या करेंगे, दोनों का LCM लेंगे, LCM will be 12 and we will make the denominator of each number equal to the LCM, तो इसका तो सेम ही है, 8 upon 3 का, इसको 12 के इक्वल लेके जाएंगे तो 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इधर भी 4 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, it will be 32. So we have 65 upon 12 plus 32 upon 12. It will be 65 upon 32. So we can write it directly here. We have 65 plus 32 upon 12. Similarly, we can do here. Okay. यहाँ पर क्या होगा? Similarly, we will get 65 minus 32. Now solve them further. Now see class, add किया 97 upon 12, subtracted this. Now we have to do the division. 97 upon 12 multiply reciprocal of this, it will be 12 upon 33. 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 12, and we left with 97 upon 33. This is the answer class. Now students see, why what number should minus 44 upon 9 be divided? इसे किस नंबर से डिवाइड करें टू गेट माइनस 11 अपॉन 3? नाउ सी हियर, माइनस 44 अपॉन 9 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है किसी नंबर से, तो लेट द नंबर बी x. नाउ सी सॉल्व इट. माइनस 44 अपॉन 9 multiply and reciprocal of x will be 1 upon x, minus 11 upon 3. Now we have to find the value of x, so we will send this term to here. Here we left minus 1 upon x, minus 11 upon 3. अभी ये multiplication में, इधर जाके it will be in division. So minus 44 upon 9. Now solve this. Multiply, reciprocal of it is, now cut it. 11 ones are 11, 11 fours are 44, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. We have 1 into 9, minus 1 into 9, 1 into 4. So we have minus 3 upon 4. Now class, this is the value of 1 upon x. हमें x का वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है, तो x का वैल्यू यानी इसका रेसिप्रोकल, तो इसका भी रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. We have minus 4 upon 3. Okay, now see here once more, the value we got is 1 upon x equals to, here 1 upon x is here, तो इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके we got minus 3 upon 4. पर हमें वैल्यू किसका फाइंड करना है, x का. सो x विल बी रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ बोथ द टर्म्स, -4/3. See student, question number 9, the product of two rational number. Product means multiplication. Suppose we have two numbers x into y. Their product is -16/9. Okay. Okay, the product of two number is -16/9. And if the one number is -4/3. Let's see, उनमें से इन दोनों में से कोई एक नंबर गिवन है, -4/3. दूसरा नंबर we have to find out. Okay, we have to find out this y. What we will do, we will send this number on the other side to find the value of y. So when it go to the other side, it will be in division. Now solve this. Multiply reciprocal. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. We have -4 into 1 and 3 into -1. So it will be -4/-3. Minus minus cancels each other, so 4/3. And class इधर रेसिप्रोकल की जरूरत नहीं है because we have already find the value of y. जब हमने इसको इस साइड भेजा था तो इधर y बचा था ना, so y equals to 4/3.